Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this Ableton tutorial, I'm about to show you a powerful trick to instantly elevate your techno synth leads. It's a game changer that will make your tracks pop with a pro level sound using just one limited tweak, something you can start applying in seconds. And you'll hear your Serum presets in a whole new way, unlocking depth and character you didn't even know they had. I'll be using Presswerk, and for those of you who don't know, it's a fantastic compressor limiter by Yuhi, perfect for rawstyle and techno production. It's incredibly flexible, and what I really love about it is how musical it sounds when you push it. Whether you're working on deep, hypnotic grooves for dark techno or smooth pads, the Presswerk limiter will enhance your synth with clean dynamic control. Let's do a quick A/B comparison of 3 synth leads with and without Presswerk. Hear how much tighter and punchier it is? The delays and reverbs now really stand out, there's more groove, and while it's a game changer for anyone struggling to make their lead stand out in Ableton Live, especially if you're focused on techno production or just want to improve your mixing and sound design workflow. Share your thoughts in the comments, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on tips like this. Alright, let's dive into this powerful trick that will instantly transform your techno synth leads. We're starting with volume control, a crucial first step. Set the volume low, around -20 dB, as our foundation for a huge sound to come. Next, slap Presswerk at the end of your FX chain. And turn the mode, select balanced. This is where the magic begins. Turn the output all the way down. Make sure your input is hitting around -6 dB and start lowering the threshold. We're aiming for around 7 to 10 dB of limiting, but this is just the starting point. Now here's the fun part. Crank the output until you hit -20 dB on your channel strip. This is where Presswerk really starts to shine, tightening everything up. Finally, adjust the release to your taste. For that punchy 140 BPM techno groove, I recommend somewhere between 50 and 220 milliseconds. But beware, too long and it will suck the life out of your track, completely wrecking your mix. Let me show you. For now, I'm locking in it at 107 milliseconds, exactly 1/16th of a beat. If you're unsure about the perfect release time, a BPM to time calculator is your best friend. Now give this a try on your Serum presets or any other synth plugins and let me know in the comments how it transformed your sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you found this helpful, don't miss the next step. Check out this video where I show you how to turn any Serum preset into a hypnotic techno lead that grabs attention.